Uh, good morning, Irfanji.
Good morning, good morning.
How are you?
Fine, fine. How are you, sir?
I'm also doing good. So, Irfanji, I've been in touch with Aslamji for a long time now. I think maybe
Okay.
3 years we have been in touch, and I met
Acha.
in one of the conference in Mumbai a couple of years ago.
Okay.
The product was really good.
So you invited us personally for this?
Yes, definitely. Because I've seen that product, and I understand
Hmm.
that it has a potential to bring the cost down as well, and it is quite innovative.
Hmm.
In terms of the
Yes,
time.
definitely. That's the main reason we're surviving in this market. It's all just for product performance.
Yes. So
Yeah.
that is the reason why I thought maybe because day 4 and day 5 were
Hmm.
we were having IM workshop only on day 4 and day 5. So I
Okay.
thought maybe this would be a good value addition for all the participants. So एक को थोड़ा सा इंश्योर वैसे करिए कि it remains interactive.
Hmm.
Telling people in between the session ki they can write their questions and queries in the chat, and what I also believe,
Hmm.
there are a lot of traders also in this. I mean, who have registered for this event, for the 5 day event. Obviously, they
Okay.
have attended. A lot of them have attended for the entire 3 days. So
Okay.
today is the day 4. So थोड़ा सा हो सकता है कि वहाँ पे भी प्रॉब्लम हो, बट मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप एसोसिएट लोगों को भी बाद में एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन, इफ यू कैन टेल देम दैट यू आर ओपन फॉर एन associate as well, you may also get some associate, because we have people from trader specifically who are joining from Odisha,
Hmm.
from Chhattisgarh, from Madhya Pradesh, Nagpur, around
Okay.
Nagpur as well, Wardha and all, Chandrapur, Jalna. So these are good
Okay.
industrial belt. अगर trader लोगों को लगता है कि the product has a potential, they might also be willing to uh, partner with you.
Definitely, I'm open to it, and we are also open to it. I'll definitely inform them about this, and I'm sure I'll ask them in between the session to write their questions and doubts. And after the session, we can have the Q&A also.
Yes, you can definitely you can
Yeah,
have Q&A,
yeah.
uh, and you can also share your contact detail. Otherwise, your contact detail we will also circulate to all the.
I think it's best if you circulate the
Yes,
contact details and everything.
yes. It should not look like a promotional session. So we'll circulate it from our side to all the
Yeah.
attendees. Uh,
Yes, definitely. And I can share them about our recent ventures with NHAI and everywhere. Like we
hmm.
are currently entering into, you can say, road repair market also.
Oh, acha, that is
Yeah,
something for me as well.
yeah. Actually, traditionally it was just industries, then cold storages, manufacturing, and other ports, वगैरह. But now we are very much ready for the road repair market. So if there
Oh.
are any EPC contractors and other, you can say, dealers and project handlers, we can definitely collab with them, make them our associate, and move forward.
Definitely, there are some people who also are contractor.
Hmm.
Just like typically in a trading setup, people apart from trading also get involved into these kind of contractor activity and all. So
Hmm.
they can be, but yeah, we haven't discussed about the contractual and other work that they might be doing. But yes, initially when they have taken their profile, a lot of them are into trading, so
Hmm.
it will be good potential.
Yes. Definitely, we'll try to collab with them and everything. Mm. Oh.
So we'll
So the
wait.
session starts at 11:15.
11:15. Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
So we'll wait for some
And
time. As soon as I think
mm,
by 11:05, 10 people will start to join, and then the moderator will come in, and then he'll introduce you, and then we'll start.
yeah, fine. Okay. I'm much more ready than ever.
नहीं.
Actually, uh, this was a last minute thing. My laptop actually crashed. So I'm from another one's laptop
Oh, okay.
currently. Yeah. So I shared the link, and I'm with this digital guys. One of our digital guy who does the promotional work for us.
Okay.
I'm joined with his laptop. So actually, yesterday only my hard drive crashed. So that is one issue. But I have PPT and everything with me. So I don't think there should be an issue with the Zoom meeting.
Definitely. If possible, you can also play some videos. I've seen your AMNS video as well. Where
Yes, yes. I do have videos in the presentation. It
great,
will
great. That
it
will be
will
great.
take time, I guess. And
No
in
problem.
between, if someone questions, then if moderator and someone can
Yes.
uh, come in between and share, then it would be right. Because I don't think do we have a chat box over here so that
You do have a chat box, but you don't focus on the chat box. Basically,
yeah, definitely.
what we are doing
Hmm.
is that for all the session, I also join a session, and a moderator also is there in the session. So we'll ensure that we'll pick up the right question,
Hmm.
and then we'll put across those question to you when you take a break
Hmm.
at the right moment.
Okay. And after the session, we'll hand over them our mail and office details and everything, and then afterwards we can collab with them.
Definitely, definitely.
Yesterday only this concrete is your partner or this or organizational team.
Concrete is basically our sponsor, Concrete and Light Metal,
Okay.
KTMT, for
Hmm.
ferroalloys, they're into ferroalloys. RSFA
Hmm.
Metallic, they are all our sponsor. Apart
Okay.
from that, we do have Hira Ferroalloys as our sponsor. Metal By is also one of our sponsors. They are not the major sponsor, but yes, they are also our sponsor.
Okay. I do have some. You can say yesterday only I met at their stall. They are exhibiting in Rasta Expo today.
Yes,
Today
yes.
and yesterday they were there. So I met one of their this manager over there.
Mm-hmm.
Handed over them about the paints and everything. Since the this topic was just purely concrete, and I look after the paint and concrete division, the PPT is more focused on the concrete part. But I'll also explain then about our paints and coating, the protective coatings which we offer, because this steel market, TMT, and this they are everywhere. They need
Hmm.
like galvanizing association, and they require paint for their acid protection and everything. For
Correct.
picking, they use acid. They'll just give them the brief idea of this our paint and coating, and for anti-corrosion paint and everything.
Mm-hmm.
See, I don't think I can add right now the slides for anti-corrosive paint.
It is not possible. I understand. You can, verbally devote some
Hmm.
time to it.
Yeah, I do have to verbally explain them this thing.
Yes. So let's wait for some more time, and then
Yeah, definitely. Hmm.
हेलो। सर आवाज आ रहा है सर?
हाँ, आवाज आ रहा
ये सर, गुड मॉर्निंग।
है। गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग।
सर सर आवाज ठीक है ना?
Yes, yes, it is quite clear. We can start.
तो सर चलिए स्टार्ट।
Yes,
Yes,
we should start.
yes, yes. We can start.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा। यस सर।
अभी आ रहा है
ओके।
मेरा आवाज?
सो यस सर, आ रहा है। ओके। गुड मॉर्निंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। A warm welcome to all our esteemed speakers, industry leaders, delegates, partners, and participants joining us from across India and around the world. I am Amit Kumar Soni, co-founder of Steel Trade Info Services, and it is my privilege to welcome you to the first technical session of the World Metal and Mining Summit 2026. Today's inaugural session focused on a subject that is becoming increasingly important as industries strive for longer asset life, enhanced operational efficiency, and sustainable infrastructure. Before we begin, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed sponsor for their generous support. Special thanks to our powered by sponsor, Concrete TMT Structure. We also sincerely thank our associate sponsor, GKTMT, Enlight Metal, Bhagwati Group, Tata Steel, Hira Ferroalloys, ASF Metallics, and Metals Buy. Our knowledge partner, Quesro, SN Networks, iEnergy, and our marketing partner, Still Trade Info Services. Our supporting associations, CGRA, AIIFA, IFAPA, Karnataka Sponge Iron Association, ASPA, SUFI, and SMAM for their valuable support in making this event a success. As the industry continues to modernize, infrastructure durability has become just critical as infrastructure development itself. Today's discussion will explore modern technique in concrete repair and rehabilitation, protective coatings and corrosion prevention solutions, sustainable maintenance practice for industrial infrastructure, increase asset life while reducing life cycle cost, the future of industrial sustainability through innovation. I am confident that this session will provide valuable insight for engineers, plant owners, infrastructure professionals, consultants, and decision makers across the manufacturing and construction ecosystem. It's not privilege it's my pleasure to introduce our distinguished speaker for this session, Mr. Irfan Babasa Pathan, Business Development Manager, Zara Group Solution Private Limited, who brings extensive experience in industrial repair technologies, protective system, and sustainable infrastructure solution. His expertise in delivering innovation repair methodology has helped industries improve operation efficiency, enhance structural durability, and extend the service life of critical assets. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for joining us. We hope you find today's discussion insightful and valuable.
Thank
So,
you for the
without
warm
further
introduction.
delay, I now have the pleasure to invite Mr. Irfan Bursa Pathan. Yes, sir. And I also request all of our delegates to visit the stall on the WMS website, where you can connect directly with manufacturers, explore new business opportunities, and to expand your professional network. So, Irfan ji, the stage is yours. Thank you, and I wish everyone an insightful and engaging session.
Okay, thank you for such a warm introduction, Mr. Amit Kumar. Okay, so without any delay, we'll just start with this presentation of ours, and I'd like to share with you all the innovation of our company. So myself, Irfan Pathan, I work with Zara Group Solutions Private Limited. Our brand name is Melika, under which we have wide variety of patented products which we offer to industries for their sustainable solution. So today's topic is innovation in concrete repair and protection in industrials and industrial sustainability. So we have a concrete repair section in our portfolio, and the most use of this is for heavy traffic areas like warehouses, RTG, forklift tags. Because of potholes and cracks, your operation delays, and that's why you need a quick set and repair. So that's why we have this product. It opens your traffic within 3 hours only. I would like to introduce our portfolio. So we have different aspects, like we have acid and corrosion protection, we have instant floor repair, and we have innovative product section. So coming to acid and corrosion protection, just like this is a steel and metal mining, you can say, conference. So we can know that we have picklings in steel industries. We have byproducts as chemical, which act as a catalyst to the corrosion. So for that, for chemical induced corrosion, we have products such as chemical resistance anti-corrosion paint, which is a replacement for your typical epoxy protection systems. Then we have chemical resistance anti-corrosion paint high performance, which is usually goes into fertilizer, chemical plants, where there's a more risk of you can say phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid, diammonium phosphate, monoammonium phosphates, and various things. Then we have armor 2K structure one, which is the highest grade of protection which we offer in acid resistance paint systems. Most of industries like JSW, you can say AMNS, they use our plane in their ARP, in their pickling units, and all. And we have widely proven in this acid and corrosion protection. Then we have our star and patented products in which we have instant floor repair, where we have four products, you can say: fast concrete repair, economical fast concrete repair, concrete reinforced putty, and then we have a floor paint armor 2K. It's the same as the structure paint, but it mostly goes for replacement for your epoxy flooring system. Then we have innovative products in which we have electric insulation paints and coating. We have high temperature paint. We have food grade paints and coating. And there are many more such as insulation paint. We have conductive paint also. So we have a wide variety of this product. Now today's topic, let us focus on concrete repair products. You can see this is our concrete repair product, fast concrete repair. It's a 7 kg bag. It comes with 1 kg of composition A, 1 kg of composition B, and 5 kg of composition C. It's a total 7 kg package. You have to mix it all. We'll see the mixing process also. We are widely tested by DP World, PSA, port segment. We have warehousing segment. We have cold storage is also in this warehousing segment, and then third comes is our manufacturing segment, where we have IFCO as our client. We have Jubilant, Pidilite, APL Apollo Steel, JSW, Amul, LGBL, and various things. Now, how we differentiate from the market is we offer fast curing. We have curing of within 3 hours only. You can directly start your traffic in 3 hours. It has a great temperature stability. So from -80 to plus 300 degrees Celsius, it can resist thermal shocks and everything. We have chemical and abrasion resistance, which is a part. Every product of our is chemical resistant. This one is abrasion resistant also. I'll further explain you in the presentation. And it has a great concrete compatibility. So whether it be M20, M40, M60, M90 grade of concrete, it has compatibility to each and every type of concrete, and it's very easy to use. You just have to prepare it, mix it, pour it. We'll see the mixing process.
EFCR comes in 3 easy-to-use components. Using it is simple. Mix component A and B thoroughly for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add component C and continue mixing for 3 minutes until the mixture is uniform. Finally, pour it directly into the damaged area and watch it repair and restore your concrete with lasting strength. EFCR is,
and just like that, your floor is your road and floors are ready to use again in 3 hours.
Areas of application: warehouse, port, cold storage, industrial floors.
Now coming to the testing certificates, we have been tested by highest exposure standards in India. We have IRMRA certificates of tensile strength, hardness, adhesion, DSC analysis. But the interesting part is abrasion resistance. As you can see in the certificate, ASTDM 3389, which says a Tabor abrasion test, in which CS17 wheel of carbon steel with 500 cycles and 1 kg of load was carried out with this product. And the certificate itself says that it is not possible to carry out the test as the sample is abrading the grinding wheel. So the wheel which was used to grind the product, it itself got grinded, but our product didn't. So this is the intensity of this product. And we also did an you can say a uh, competition type in World of Concrete in 2024, where 500 or 600 people participated and no one was able to break our concrete grouting. This is just a short promotional video of it.
प्रोडक्शन डूबा जाए आजा प्यारे पास हमारे काहे घबराए एफसीआर मेरा बात क्यों रे तीन घंटे में ओके तो एक बार जो इसे लगा लो कर लो पूरी हुई अरे सुन 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 इंजीनियर सुन इस एफसीआर में बड़े बड़े गुण एक के फ्लोर की एक दवा है क्यों ना आजमा ले आजा प्यारे पास हमारे काहे घबराए
And no one was able to break our product.
अरे सुन 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 इंजीनियर सुन इस एफसीआर में बड़े बड़े गुण
The sectors which we serve currently with this is we have cold storage because of its great thermal sustainability from -80 to plus 300 degrees Celsius. We have ports where there is a need of quick traffic start. Then we have warehouses where also operation efficiency decreases if there is a pothole and accidental hazard increases. Then you have risk of product this also damages. Then we have manufacturing industries. So after that we have did in JSW Wasin plant we have did a concrete road repair work, and even there also within 3 hours the traffic got started. This is the whole process of what we have did in Wasin plant. You can see you have to cut first the potholes and damage which are there. Then you have to break it with jackhammer, and then you have to with a blower clean the surface. Then you have to mix, as I said before, you have to mix the two components, then add the third component. And just like that, it comes with a smooth glossy finish. It's anti-skid, so there's no chance of slipping or something with this product. Then we have some case studies like in Port of Singapore Authority, we did an RTG track repair, and you can see over here the damage of the track, the scenario of it, and within 3 hours there is the RTG crane moving on the damaged part. It not only moves linear, it also rotates over there, and shear stress was also applicable on the product. And till date now, it has been 6 years and nothing has happened to the track. This is our Coleman cold storage demo. You can say we did a trial over there in -14 degrees Celsius, and over there also our product was intact, and it has without taking any shutdown or without you can say switching off the freezing room. We did this online demo, and we have like started business with Coleman also. Coleman is usually our client nearly 16 to 20 locations in India. This is Leeladhar Paso, a warehouse floor case study. You can say there also we have repaired. This is in industry we have Pidilite as our case study. Here you can see over here the patch we have replaced with we have done the patchwork with our product, and then again we are serving Pidilite also from this moment. This is our packaging and everything. Our product comes with the pallet and secured packaging. This is a promotional video which our digital team did. This is just an AI video for promotion of our product.
कल एमडी आने वाले हैं और ये फ्लोर अभी तक ऐसा का ऐसा, मुझे कल तक ये ना जैसा चाहिए, समझे तुम? जीनी, कल एमडी आने वाले हैं, ये फ्लोर ठीक करना है पर समझ नहीं आ रहा कैसे। अरे मेरे आका, इतनी सी बात, अभी ठीक करके देता हूँ। ये कैसे? 3 दिन का काम सिर्फ 3 घंटे में? ये जादू नहीं है मेरे दोस्त, ये है EFCR, इकोनॉमिकल फास्ट कंक्रीट रिपेयर। जल्दी सेट, मजबूत पकड़ और काम खत्म बिना रुकावट।
Now this is another product. This is the same as fast concrete repair. It's much more economical. What we have did with this product is we have increased the quantity of the product. So the 7 kg pack becomes 10 kg pack. It has the same quality, same USP or like the FCR. Uh, just the difference is compressive strength. FCR has something for 46 and this one has 35. So this is we have reduced the price of the product and we have increased the quantity. So this is this is our another product. It has the same USP. Then coming to our another product, a patented product only, concrete reinforced putty, a 3-hour repair and start to traffic product. It's everything starts with a crack, and for crack we are serving with Prasol, Penguin, Pidilite, Mitsu, and there are a lot of clients which we have served. It goes in expansion joints, minor crack filling and sealing, chip off of concrete for topping off. This is basically the product. This is just a very simple to use two component product. You just have to mix both of them for 2 minutes and you can directly pour it into the concrete. As you can see over here, we have the same, like it has the same minus 82 plus 300-degree temperature stability. It has the same chemical and abrasion resistance, and it also has a great concrete compatibility, and it's also 3-hour curing. This is the also it works within the same principle of prepare, mix, and pour. You can see over here how a crack has been filled up.
Start with proper surface preparation. Clean the damaged area thoroughly, removing all dust, grease, and loose particles to ensure strong adhesion. Then, mix component A and B for 1 to 2 minutes and pour the mixture directly into the prepared damaged portion. CRP forms a tough, reinforced bond and fully cures within just 3 hours.
This is more flowable product, so it goes into cracks and minor sealings instantly.
Fast curing, high strength, and built for lasting performance.
So this is much more flowable product. It goes into your expansion joints, it goes into your cracks, and you can use it for 1 to 5 mm of chip off of concrete. We have did in we have did work with ExxonMobil. We have repaired their cracks. You can see over here, it comes with 1 kg of packaging and 7 kg of packaging also. In 7 kg you get a bucket. In 1 kg it's a 7:3 ratio mixture. This is ExxonMobil. Then we have did work with Edimitsu also for their expansion joints. We have worked with fiber foils, and with fiber foils it has been a very long journey. We did our trial first with fiber foils only, and now instead of me talking about our product, I'll let the client speak for themselves. Okay, so this is a client testimonial video. It's been 8 years and nothing has happened to the repaired portion which we did. In Penguin also the same. So talking about sustainability, we have the product, and these are the client performance certificates. You can see Idemitsu is there, Mechanchem Industries. PSA has also did the RTG repair portion which we did with them. Then here comes the Pidilite certificate also performance. So when we talk about sustainability, our product speaks for itself only. You can say we haven't had any complaints with this product. The only downside of this product is that it's more sustainable than other market product. This is our patent certificate in instant concrete repair, in corrosion protection, and even in high performance coating. We have 3 patents currently for 3 different segments. And thank you for having me. And now we can if anyone has any doubt or something, we can start.
Yes, sir. So there's a question that we got in our chat. The question is like concrete repair has traditionally been viewed as a maintenance activity, and today is becoming a strategic investment. So what major innovations are transforming this sector, and why should industries pay attention now in this? So
I'm
what's your
sorry,
view about this,
I'm
sir?
sorry, I didn't get you. I think network is low. Can you repeat, sir? Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. You are audible. Can you repeat the question again, Amit ji? I think some problem with his.
Yeah. If anyone has access to the question department, you can please tell me what was the question.
Just hold on for a couple of minutes because I am not sure where the question is. So I'm repeating the question. Concrete repair until now it has been assumed as a maintenance activity mostly, but over the
Hmm.
last couple of years, I think the trend has been changing, and it has now been taken by most of the bigger plant as a strategic investment or a strategic activity. So, what are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, well, definitely. Concrete repair, if you have a product in the repair segment, it definitely comes under the maintenance part. But if you see the upside of it, it's everything that you have concrete in your floor without the repairing and without the maintenance of the concrete. You get nothing. Your operation stops. You have an accidental hazard. You have much more life-threatening things also. Even like currently, we are into development of a product. Like usually, whatever concrete repair mortar you see in the market, it requires a dry surface, a dry concrete sheet. We are currently working like if you have seen even in road repairs, like in rainy seasons, we have a lot of potholes which causes life threatening accidents and everything. So we are into development of a product which can repair your potholes in water also. So if you have a pothole filled with water, you can directly pour the product and you can say in 3 hours you can achieve the same thing which you achieve with the EFCR and E. And we in concrete is a very, you can say, concrete is a very like it's just like steel industry. It also is growing. The market of concrete is also growing. There are a lot of new innovations in this yeah, the market also.
Fair enough. Thanks for answering this question, Irfanji. Another question,
Hmm.
from one of our guests. There are a couple of more questions from the guests, and one question I have personally, which I would take up at the
Hmm.
end of the session. So, another guest of our, Mr. Rohit, is asking, how do you see the Indian concrete repair market evolving over the next 5 years, and what growth drivers are likely to shape the industry?
I see a lot of potential in the market of concrete, Indian market. We still are developing nation and we will be thriving with infrastructure which is currently going on. And I think concrete products and concrete is like a backbone of it in road repair segment, in manufacturing, other than you can say different fiber infused products which are currently developing. But I believe that concrete is one of the leading backbone of road infrastructure, and
Thank you.
it will be growing a lot in the future.
I too agree with that because
Hmm.
if I have to practically give an answer to this question, just to add on to what you have been
Hmm.
saying, India currently has been expanding up its capacity in terms of steel, I would say, a
Yeah.
lot. And with the government vision of achieving 300 million tons of production by 2030, and further 200 ton more, like 500 tons of production by 2027. I think more the industry will grow, the confidence will prepare. The scope of it will also grow tremendously, because in general, even if you set up a plant, once the repair and the maintenance activity has to be carried out a lot of time, at the well. So the scope is slightly there. It will be there for sure. The second question has been asked by Mr. Bhupendra Kumar Sharma, is that, are you also providing services along with the.
I'm sorry, there's a.
Can you mute yourself? Yeah. So another question is asked by Mr. Bhupendra Kumar Sharma, one of our attendee, is that, are you also providing services along with the material for retail, especially the residential, also over and above industries?
Uh, Nice question. Currently, we don't provide services of our own, but we have authorized applicators over here, which has been with our associates also, who carry out this stuff. Like you can say, we have application and associate as a one team, and we have educated them about the product that much that they itself can have the potential to carry out. And what we currently are like you for residential and commercial, we haven't thought about it that much, but I know that that is a different segment, that is a different market. For we are first catering to this industries only, and we are currently entering into a new road repair market. We have done with demos with NHA, and we are in talks with them with the government also. So currently residential, I have it in the mind, but it's not like we are starting it right away.
Fair enough. Another
Hmm.
question which I have personally, which I have personally wanted to ask. So steel in general is a very thin margin business. You understand that
Yeah.
quite well. So just wanted to understand, from the commercial point of view, I'm sure, like you mentioned, it speeds up your maintenance activity. You can just get it done in 3 hours, and it saves a lot of time and lot of
Hmm.
productive time as well. Uh, but also, from the commercial point of view, just wanted to understand the commercial viability of your solution over the traditional solution which is being carried out by the Indian steel sector.
See, if you want to ask about commercial, how our product is feasible, currently, if you go with the MNC's brand, there are like cementatious mixtures, you do get admixtures, you do get cement mortar also, geopolymer also. You have a different segment over there. But when it comes to epoxy repair mortar, where there is no use of water, and that's a good sign of the epoxy mortar that you don't use water. Water act as a, you can say, while making something, it act as a, you can say what is it? It's like an amrit to the concrete. But after that, the shrinkage and the thermal and rains, there it blows out. You can say fully blows out. But that is the one aspect of epoxy mortar that you don't require any water to be added in the systems, and that is one thing. We have a non-shrinkage formulation currently which we offer. So having a crack, even up until my journey with this company, I haven't seen any crack with this product. No crack, nothing, and nor it has. You can say bond has been loose with the concrete. Most of our the repair mortar where they failed out. Like currently, I was doing a demo in Khalapur Road, where we have seen the product which they have used, and the you can say the problem was not with the product. The thermal shocks, the rain, and everything have flowed down with them. So what we with as a company as a product offers is a great bond strength. The adhesion with any type of concrete, and the adhesion strength is 12.5 MPa, and the adhesion is the you can say the one thing which is very important while you are repairing a material. So I haven't seen any crack, I haven't had any adhesion problem with this product. So that's the main reason. Like our first trial with fiber foil is still going great, and there's a 24/7 forklift movement around it. So yeah, that is the main thing with this product.
That's a great answer. That's it from my side. If Amit ji, you have any question?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, from my personal point
Hmm.
of view, I just want to ask one question. Like
Yeah.
I'm from Steel Trade Info Services. Actually, we are into research and market research. Nah,
Hmm.
so we used to like we can say track the daily steel plants and infrastructure projects. So as
Hmm.
industries continue investing in capacity expansion. So do you
Hmm.
believe, sir, that predictive maintenance and concrete protection will become an important as the initial capital investment for them? And if yes, how should the industry leaders change their mindset towards this life cycle asset management?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat it?
So
Sorry. Can you?
like yes, so the many companies now like they are investing in capacity expansion and they are more investing in infrastructure projects. So do you believe
Hmm.
that this predictive maintenance and concrete production will become the most important part for their capital investment? And how should
Yeah.
the industry leaders can change their mindset towards this life cycle asset management?
Yes, actually, I can't talk about the industrial leaders and how they can change the mindset, but I do believe that this
Hmm.
investment in the infrastructure, it ain't going away anywhere. We are still moving ahead, and we have a lot to do with this. And we have like when I see at the market, I see a lot of work has to be done. If we compare it with the
Yes.
development countries and what they have and what we are currently operating at, we have a lot to go. And this market will be upright in the next 5 years and 10 years. You will see a lot of industrial leaders coming on board with this. You will see a lot of innovation in this market. We'll see a lot of we. That's why we haven't stopped innovating. We are still developing the product. We are still moving ahead. We know the market is going to be on the upright, and we are there with fighting the other brands over there.
I definitely
Great,
would
sir.
with you, and not specifically from any particular company point of view, but then as a sector, I do see a lot of potential because
Hmm.
over the year, if we would have also noticed, traditionally 20 years back, the infrastructure investment also
Hmm.
was a major proportion, but then infrastructure and maintenance wasn't a major concern for the plant that existed in 1980s and 1990s. Over the years, the investment has also gone up quite a bit, and the
Hmm.
plants are also started have also started taking these investments seriously, and they understand
Yeah.
the need for the same. Having visited China a couple of times, Singapore as well, I've personally seen the kind of infrastructural growth,
Yeah.
the concrete, the maintenance which the plant over there takes it seriously. And there's a saying in steel sector, whatever China does it now, India will be doing the same in after 10 years from now. So definitely the potential does exist. A lot to cover, like you said, we are still
Yeah.
moving ahead quite rapidly, but still a long way to go for us.
Yeah, it's still a long way. Yeah.
So
Okay.
yeah.
I just want to add with this. Uh, just like you said, we have like the associate parts. If anyone in the attendees is like to associate with us for their repair segments and all, you can connect with us. So Kshitij, you can give the contact details of me, right? And our company, right?
Yes, definitely, definitely.
Any more questions?
I think that's it from our side. If there are any further questions, the attendees can also mail us directly.
Yes, sir. That's it from my side also.
We'll route it to the Medica team. Uh, so before we wind up the session, just an important announcement. We have a workshop by IM Sirmor from 3 p.m. today. For the same workshop, IM has also shared a pre-read kind of a case study, which has been mailed to all of you. All the attendees have received it on their email. In case not, then if you can just let our team know. They'll share it with you once again. It's a 7-page small case study, which I would request you all to read before joining the session or the workshop at 3 p.m. Also, as a protocol, and to maintain the sanity of the certificate, it's a government organization. I am with a government institute. So we'll have to ensure that, I mean, there's a strict norm that whosoever attends the 2 day workshop from 3 to 5 p.m. will only be getting the certificate. So I request you all to, kindly join in for the workshop. The certificate from their side will be released only, you know, for those candidates who are attending the workshop live, and they'll be taking some random attendance screenshot as well. So request you all to be on time. Read it earlier to the workshop. It's a small 7 pages document. That's it from my side. Amit ji, then take it over from here.
Yes, sir. So let's close this session, right? Hello.
Yes, we can close the session.
Yes, sir. So, the ladies and gentlemen, that brings us the conclusion of this insightful session on innovation in concrete repair, protection, and Indian sustainability. On behalf of Steel Trade Info Services and Mark Intel, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to Mr. Irfan Pathan, Business Development Manager, Zara Globe Solution Private Limited, for sharing his valuable expertise and market in practical insights into the latest innovation in concrete repair, asset protection, and sustainable industrial practices. So your perspective has highlighted how proactive maintenance, advanced repair technologies, and sustainable solutions are becoming critical for enhancing the lifespan, safety, and efficiency of industrial infrastructure. Thank you once again, sir, for your time and for enriching today's discussion.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kshitij ji, for having me.
Thank you also goes to all of our delegates. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Kshitij ji.
Before we break, I would like to invite everyone to join us. Thank you, sir. I would also like to invite everyone to join us again at 12:15 p.m. for our next knowledge session. Thank you.
Thank you.